Now, is this the smart work of the smart city and the authorities, especially Goa government? Recently installed and inaugurated traffic signal pole at the Merces junction came down crashing on Saturday late night, posing threat for the commuters. With this incident, once again the work of the smart city and concerned authority is exposed. Incidentally, CM Pramod Sawant, along with other officials, had inaugurated the AI traffic signal at this point recently, and within no time, one of the pole was down. Watch. It is Prasad Polji for Herald TV.